Hello everyone, hello my friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. Oh yes, I'm your friend, your lady, whatever you call me, Lady Jane. Yes, and this is my channel, Lady Jane Concept TV. You're welcome back to my channel. Yes, I hope you had a good night rest. I thank God and me, as you can see, I'm fine, and I hope all my fans are okay. Today, we have a good news. Just stay tuned, okay? Oh yes, today's news. Now one of the bonuses. Yes, you know that in this channel we talk about everything that happens in Italy. We talk about bonuses in Italy, and we also talk about all the things that happen around the world. Yes, Nigeria, America. Remember the time of I Can't Breathe? I also talk about it here. If you remember the time of all the things that happens here in Italy, I always talk about them here. So this channel, you need to stay here so that you will be getting Obonga information. Yes, in as much as we know they rush information. Yes, we know they rush. We take our time to dissect, read, assimilate, and they understand. So we now come here and talk it, okay? And some people will say, hey, madam, go straight to the point. Nothing like that. Your life no straight. Nobody, this life no straight. This life very rigorous. But yes, nothing is straight, because if to say life is straight, people for know they suffer. Even for this country, we did the protocol before they will give you that bonus. You know they straight. This mad woman again. Yes, such is life. So today news na TV bonus. I be bonus TV. Yes, I have to read it out. Yes, this time around I'm going to read it out, okay? So that we understand. It's on the internet already. It's no more fake. It's not really, we don't even talk fake here. It's no more a hidden agenda. Yes, we are going to read it out here. Okay? Give me your ears as you listen. Okay? Oh yeah, here we go. Let me read it small in Italian, then I'll switch over to English. Okay? Yes, they say you need to hear this. Cara amici, cara amiche, dal prossimo mese di novembre. Yes, le rete televisione, l'emittente radio e quotidiana delle spazio web inizieranno una campagna di comunicazione molto incisiva per ricordare che il 1 luglio del 2022 si spegneranno i digital TV attuali in uso in Italia. Let me read the English version, because Italian know too the sweet me format when I read them for internet like this. But if I read them for myself, you know, go hard me, okay? So let me read it here. Let me read it in English so that we can understand it very, very well. Dear friends, from next month, November. Yes, from next month of November. We are now in September, October, November. Yes, television networks, radio broadcasters, newspapers, web spaces. We start a very incisive communication campaign. Yes, then go start to the announcement for TV from November. So you never hear and now. And you know Italo, before they will start anything next year, they will give it a year or two before. You know, they like on a country, we say they will just come cut and do them. If you ask them, say, Madam, no, so we see them, or they will just carry bulldozer area 1, or somewhere in Lagos. If you ask them, they say, na government, I send them. No, Italo, no, they do their own. Like Italo, they give you enough time, enough evidence, and enough space to arrange yourself, okay? So waiting then go do 2020 tonight they talk now. Yes, they say that from 1st of July 2022. Okay, let me repeat. From next month of November, television network, radio broadcasters, newspapers, and web spaces, that is internet, we start a very incisive communication campaign to remind you that on July 1st, 2022, the digital TV currently in use in Italy will be shut down. Oh yes. This digital TV you are watching in your house, the children are watching Rai 1, Rai 2, Rai 3, Rete 4 for kini. Me, I know they watch Italian TV like that. They watch them from internet because my kids not allow me. I mean, I know even they have their time, okay? So from that July 1st, 2022, digital TV currently in use in Italy will be shut down, completely down. Yes. You may say, Madam, it's too far, 2022. You know too far anything, you know too far anything because you know say they say now who go now see now who apply now get and many people plenty make they go. Yes. Yes, it will be shut in 1st of July 2022 to bring down all this TV we are using now. If you on your TV, they do ching like those days of our father. We say get that black and white, you go hit them, knock them, nothing. Okay, to be switched to digital TV, so-called second generation DVB-T2 in brackets. I will attach it here. Okay, it will be switched to digital TV that is called second generation. Yes, DVB-T2. In bracket or in parenthesis, which one, whichever. Okay, this means that more than 12 million Italian families, 12 million, more than 12 million Italian families, including many retired and elderly people, will no longer be allowed to watch TV channels. You know why they are hammering on these old people? It's not that it will not affect me and you, because these old people, most of them cannot access their mobile phone. They cannot access internet, Android phone to read news. So it will affect them the more. That's why they are also calling them here, because it will be difficult, more difficult for them. Because me as a caregiver, I'm a professional caregiver. I take care of old people. You know, they depend on that TV. Every morning I get this old woman will always wake up in the morning to listen to news by 8 and she go back to sleep. Yes, she doesn't miss it, and that is where she depends on any information. During the election, that's where she got her result. Everything, okay? And before I forget, they have announced result. We have a new Sindaco here in Villados and every other place. And even in the presidential race, everything was done. Good, no hazards, no problems, no noise, no shootings. Unlike that country that is an evil country called Mekanokola, you know. So that is why they normally talk about old people, because they are always finding it difficult to adjust to the new generation, to the new life. They are not Y2K compliant. That is why they are always hammering on them. So let me repeat. This means that more than 12 million Italian families, including many retired and elderly people, will no longer be able to watch, will no longer be allowed to watch TV channels, and we have to buy a new TV or decoder. That this is 57.6% of users. Okay, good. That is it. I remember when I came back here after my holidays in Nigeria, the TV in the room, in the children's room, were no more showing. We had to go and look for decoder. It's either you buy a cable, or you change the TV to a flat screen, because that one was not flat screen. I had to go and buy a cable, white cable, because they mounted an antenna, general antenna. It's not here that everybody has his own antenna. Here, each house has one antenna. You only connect to it through your the wire you have in your house. Okay, so I bought the cable. After some time, my husband now replaced it with a flat screen TV, because that one you may not need the cable actually, depending on the size. If it's too small, you still need cable. But if you are using like 40 inches or 50 inches, you may not need the cable, depending on how you position it in your house. Okay, so now this means that more than 12 million Italian families, I've said this before. Okay, so we will not be allowed to watch TV channels, and we have to buy a new TV or decoder. For the purchase of new TV, for the purchase of new television or decoders useful for the switch passage. For the purpose of this, the Ministry of Economic Development has provided a bonus of up to 50 euros reserved for family with easy up to 20,000 20,000 euros, okay, for which you can apply until December 2022 or until the funds allocated are exhausted. Yes, let me come down to this place. Yes, because you will say 50 euro. No, that is, they say that as from, okay. So for the purpose of this switch, the new switch, that is the new passage, because of this passage, Italian government have mapped out some money to assist people to buy a new TV. You see, when I say organized country, you say, oh yeah, organized country. Can I hear you? Oh yeah. Yes, they plan things. The other time I was hearing about removing every old car on the road, automation. They are working on it. They will give you funds. They may give you loan that you will be paying. You will not even know you are paying it to change your car, because they don't want old cars on the road. And they cannot just come and stop you on the road, throw away your car. They cannot just come and seize your car. They will evaluate you and know where you are. Put you and know where you belong to. And they will not give you loan if you are working, so that you'll be paying maybe 200 euros every month to have a new car or a new house or whatever. That is dividends of democracy. Dividends of democracy in action. I thank God, beg God, next life, if there is, may not allow me cross that country, that evil forest called Nigeria. And every other part of Africa is not in that. But why I say call that place is this? Call the name of that place is, it gives me, it raises my temperature whenever I remember that country. Look at election, people die. Army killing people, police killing people. Check the death of people in Nigeria. If people die 10 today, not 8 in the police. People that are meant to safeguard us are the ones killing us. After the remaining 2% in a Fulani herdsmen. My sister, may I not go there, because if I go there, you no go like me. Yes, you no go like me. Okay? So now they are mapping out some money to help those 12 million families to get this new TV. Yes, for the new switch. Let me go on. For the purpose of new television or decoders useful for the switch, the Ministry of Economic Development and Development has provided a bonus to up to 50 euros reserved for families with easy up to 20,000 euros, for which you can apply until December 2020 or until the funds allocated are exhausted. Yes, okay. So that is it. They have allocated money. They have brought out money, okay, for this purpose. So why I am here now is to tell you about the bonus TV. Yes, bonus TV, okay? That is why I'm here. Oh yes, I can see you love this. You're still here, okay? You're still watching me. Yes, it means that you're interested if you're still watching me. Thank you for watching me. Let's go on. Yes, they say that until the fund is exhausted, you still have to apply. But you know, in this country, sometimes it's difficult to get what you want, even when you have the requisite, even when you get all the things where needed. Okay, so let's go there. On 16th of September, of a total availability of 151 million euro, the amount used is 9.8 million. That is in percentage. Okay, we therefore consider it functional, giving the audience of citizens we represent to act for an information action on the territories aimed at our pensioners. They are still calling the pensioners, yes, so that they can take advantage of the bonus before the funds run out. And you that are watching me and you are in Italy, you can as well take this opportunity. Okay, you can as well grab it before it runs out. Yes, before the fund runs out. Because even that of Moto, I tried it. They told me that the funds is finished, that I have to wait till they pass another information, or they have another fund for it, because I didn't hear it on time. By the time I heard about it, the funds have already been, as in, it don't finish. Okay, so they say that on the 16th September, I've read this one. We therefore consider it functional, given the audience and the number of people involved in this country that watch TV. In every house has TV, if not for 2, 3 TV. Because Italians, they have TV in their kitchen, they have in their hall, that is parlor, and some also have in the bedroom. So they can't do without TV. And when you are changing the one in the parlor, you also change the one in the kitchen, you also change the one in the room. None of them will work when this thing take over. When the switch takes effect, none of them will work. So you better rush this opportunity to grab your own. Yes, to obtain the bonus, you need to deliver at the store a form which we attach to you. It's like, let me read this one first in Italian, because sometimes this Google translation, too, they give us. I remember the other time I was talking about bonus Libri and the bonus computer. I was reading the Google aspect of the website. It was telling me education, why in Italian it is written institution. So let me first of all, okay, read this one in Italian, then I will now come and reread it in English. Okay, per ottenere i bonus occorre consegnare presso il punto vendita un modulo che vi alleghiamo in cui si autocertifica di essere in possesso dei requisiti reddituali necessari per ottenere dello sconto direttamente in fase di acquisto. That is, let me go now back to the English one and read it again for those that don't understand. To obtain the bonus, you need to deliver at the store a form. That is store where they are selling TV. Let's assume that you're buying from Auchan, people in Padova, or from Media World, or from Eurostar, all those places, Interspa, those people selling TV. Okay, because they already know these things. You need to obtain to obtain this bonus, you need to deliver at the store a form, which we attach to you, in which you're self-certified. Self-certified, that is everything about you, that you have a necessary profitable requirements for obtaining the discount directly during purchase. You see? So now, this bonus, in as much as it's still, the module has not come out, the form has not come out, this is an information that I'm bringing to you to bear in mind that things like this, something like this is about to happen. So you prepare. You can still go on and ask questions, either on web or off web, online or offline. You can ask your friends, you can ask people selling TVs, you can ask your local government to prepare you very well on how to do this, okay? To obtain, you need to deliver at the store a form which we attach to you, in which you're self-certified. That is everything about you, you're easy, you're good, okay? That you are qualified to have the necessary profitable requirement to obtain this discount directly during purchase, okay? So that this, you will know that if a certified document, that's your easy, your ID card, everything that talks about you, you submit it to a place of purchase that will now give them warrant them to give you the bonus involved. For the meantime, this is it. Maybe by the time the new law will take effect from 2022, they will bring out a mod. Okay, let's go on. For reasons, in order to verify the right to facilitation, okay, it is essential to direct our members to CAF. You see it, for the development of ISE module. If you don't have ISE, okay, you can go to CAF and get ISE. As I said earlier, ISE is economic situation. Your economic situation. The ISE is something that you need in case of bonuses. Some people don't do ISE, it's not compulsory. But for you to have government benefit, government bonuses like bonus gas, bonus water, bonus light, you must have ISE. Because that ISE will show your economic situation, okay? Without ISE, they are not going to give you anything. But KUD can also help. But KUD is when they have the money for everybody. That is when KUD will always come. But when they have a limited things to give, it's ISE they will use. Okay? So now, and they say ISE is free. You go to CAF and do your ISE, or Ackley or CGL and do your ISE. You book appointment and get it's done free of charge. You have nothing to lose, nothing to add. Just give them a telephone call and they give you appointment. You can't do it. It is usually done once in a year. Every year it expires. My own do expire every January or February. Depends. I cannot remember it, but the date is written there. Okay. So they say we are available for any further clarification. Yes. So you can ask this in Chisel. Is HGL or Ackley. Ask about this. Whenever, do you know what I normally do? Whenever I hear about bonus, I call them on phone and ask about it. I don't even depend on what I hear alone on the internet. You know, when I heard about register digital advance, I went there. They say yes, I can apply. I applied. They gave me some letter. They disqualify me because my code is high. So right now I don't have. But by next year I might have because my job reduced. Okay, you know this COVID-19 affected everybody. Okay, so let me round it up. This is Bonus TV. Yes, it's real. By the year 2022, this TV we are watching will not work. That's what they're talking. That's the main conco today. So endeavor or put your ear on the ground to gather more information regarding this. Okay. Till then, I still remain your gear. Hey, before I forget, I have another channel, Italian Pidgin English class. Yes, that channel we dey talk, we dey teach Italo, we dey cut and join Italo. Yes. No be say we know, but we dey try to know more. That channel, we do more of English and Italian translation. Yes, we dey talk about how to cope in Italy without going to school because of the closure of the schools due to this COVID-19. Yes, so help me, do me a favor, subscribe to that channel. And if you are subscribed before, may God bless you. Okay, till then, I remain your friend, your lady, Lady Jane, Concept TV. See you some other time. Ciao, ciao.